Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move elements to one library to another on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the libraries button down below on the left side corner, select a library, tap on it and select the element that you would like to move. Click on the more button next to its name and click on the move to button, which is the third option. Select the library to which you would like to add this element, and as you can see it has been moved. So when you open the library to which you have added this picture, you will be able to see it here. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.